Oh yeah, this is good. It would have been so worth it though, guys. I can see where people are going. You're around, you should have taken 14 hours. This is exactly what it was like when you saw
Sorry, this is insane.
Swamp, it says. Swamp. Because it's impossible.
This way is blocked off. The security guard back there said that this is. Take it close. Go nowhere.
If you see an aerial shot, just know it was this line over here that I was just recording. It wasn't people rallying up to see Donald Trump make his same speeches he's been making. This is literally the line they forced all of these people to stand in 20 minutes before the fireworks are supposed to start. And then most of these people don't know, because I just heard from one person that the fireworks have been delayed to 12 o'clock because Trump has delayed his speech to 11 o'clock. All right, so these people got to stand out here even longer, right, on the sidewalk and in these lines where they should already be set comfortable in the spots they picked hours ago to enjoy the fireworks. Yeah.